up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to animate your logo type, how to customize it, okay? Just like this, okay? First thing, go to this website, 3dsvg.design. You're gonna be able to draw your own design in the case that you want. For example, just like this. If you wish, you can draw your own design. You can use a text and you can type a text in the case that you want. All up to you. You can even change the font of the text. You can enter the SVG code of your logo or any logo you find, or you can upload your SVG logo type, okay? After this, you can play with your logo design. An example, you can choose the file, select the SVG file, and here is your logo type. Then let's play with it. Review the upper right corner of my screen. We're going to be able to find comments, option to download, and the options to edit. First thing, we have the object. We can change the color in the case that we want. You can customize the zoom level. You can change the background as you wish. The material can be customized as well. The textures can be added in the case that you wish. You can even upload new textures. You can change the animations. The speed of the animation, the interaction, and the lighting. You can play with the light. Just like this. You can even add or remove the shadows. After having all into the design that you want, into the effects that you want, into the side that you want, you can click into this camera icon to download. No need to create account, nothing like this. You can go to video and you can record a video in the case that you want, just like this. And you can download the video and you can use the auto to fit the size that you need. It's ideal for example, YouTube introductions, some video project, some design project, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!